Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. We are back with another video. In this video, we clearly discuss about what are the best online programs available to kickstart your journey in cybersecurity fields. As I have organized 5 best programs for you so that if you are new in this field and you are unable to find from where to start and you are roaming around here and there in searching for programs, so I am here to take to present you 5 best courses to kickstart your cybersecurity journey. And I have also uploaded a different content how to kickstart your practical cybersecurity journey, and I have also uploaded different videos. You can check my playlist Cyber World, and in that playlist you will find each and everything related to cyber world. So let's start about the first course is by Google. As Google is offering the course, let me take you to this course. Google, you can search here Google Cyber Security Professional Certificate. After searching this, Google is offering this course through Coursera. You need to click here. I will also add the link in the description so you can access it easily. Here you can see that this course is basically in this course more than 7 lakh students already enrolled, and this is one of the best course to kickstart your journey to learn the basics of cybersecurity. And this course will automatically lead you to secure new job in your cybersecurity field at a beginner level. Here you can see that this course consists of 8 sub courses in which you will learn about cybersecurity basics. Here you can see that beginner level, no prior experience required. If no matter if you are coming from IT field or a social sciences field or natural sciences field, you just need to complete this course, and this course, after completing this course, you will able to build toward a degree. You can also start your graduation in cybersecurity. This course has such importance. This course is 6 months long, and you can give 7 hours a week. It means 1 hour a day. If you are giving 1 hour a day, you can complete this course in 6 months easily. And this is the certification of this course is like very important, and it will help you to secure your first job. Let us move to the second course. The second course is by MIT, which is Introduction to Cybersecurity. Let me take you this course. I will also attach the link in the description. Introduction to Cybersecurity by MIT. Here you can see that we will search here Introduction to Cybersecurity by MIT. Here you can see that at the first you will see this course. Here you can see the start date. Time commitment, you need to give 15 to 20 hours a week. It means you need to give 2 to 3 hours a week, and it will also take 6 months of your time for 24 weeks, and it's formatted online. You can also secure financial aid. I know this course is expensive, but I'm presenting you the best courses available to learn cybersecurity. And at the end of the video, I will also suggest you my recommendation. If you are a beginner, what course should you take right now? So keep watching the video. This is the second course. Here you can see all the details about this course, what you will learn, what you will get after in taking this course. Let's move toward the third course. The third course is by EC Council, which is Certified Ethical Hacker Training. Here you can see that Certified Ethical Training, Certified Ethical Hacker Training by EC Council. You can see here Yes, here you can see that we have this course by EC Council, and here you can see all the information about the course. You can see get practical learning with 221 hands-on labs. Here you can see all the details about this course, 20 learning modules. You can get all the information about the course here. Also, you can also watch the video. Moving toward the fourth course, which is cybersecurity specialization by University of Maryland. Cybersecurity specialization, cybersecurity specialization by University of Maryland. You can see that you will be redirected to this page. In this page, you will learn this in area 1, then area 2, then area 3. You can get all the details here. I am just telling you the best courses available to learn cybersecurity, and in at the end of the video I will also recommend the best course which you should take as a beginner. And the last course is by IBM cybersecurity analyst, one of the best course also. IBM cyber security, you can search here. IBM is offering this course through Coursera, and this is one of the best course, one of the best course. I'm again repeating that this is one of the best course. Here you can see all the details about this course. So we have completed our 5 courses we have seen. Let me tell you one thing, which one is best. If I recommend you, when I started my journey in a cybersecurity field, I came from a very different background. I came from social sciences background. I have no IT background. I have no IT degree, and I want to start my career in cybersecurity. Which course helps me? After finding here and there for at least 6 months, I found one course which gives me direction and which gives me a lot of information and basic understanding about cybersecurity. I will also recommend you, and the cost of this course is very low, very cheap. Even anyone can afford this course. You can also apply for financial aids. You can take that course for free, but you need to pay for the certificates which would be offered by Coursera. Most of you have already have Coursera paid accounts, so this course is very cheap, and this course covers each and everything about the basics of cybersecurity. And here is the course. It is actually by Google. Let me take you to that page again. Yes, here you can see the course, Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. This is one of the amazing course I have ever taken. Here you can see that you will gain skills. You will learn Python programming, IDS intrusion detection system, Linux, basics of which is the backbone of cybersecurity. Then you will learn about SIM tools, which is security information and event management tools. This is one of the amazing course, and this will also boost your LinkedIn. And you can enroll for free, but you need to pay for certificates if you want certificates. But if you want to learn, you can learn for free. I am recommending you right now to take this course as a beginner, and leave everything which you are searching about cybersecurity. Leave everything and take this course. At the end, what it will make you, you can say that it will make you an expert in 6 months about cybersecurity. And obviously the other thing will be dependent on your practice, how much practice you are doing. So these are the list of 5 courses. I hope so you have got required information from this video. If you think you got required information from my video, you can click on the like button. If you have any suggestion, you can post their suggestion in comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button so that you can never miss my upcoming videos. And the reminder is that I have already started cybersecurity practical learning course. You can watch it on this channel by going on the playlist named Cyber World, and in that playlist I have already uploaded 2 live lectures. You can watch it and you will surely enjoy that lectures. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.